Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make medicated powder at home. Medicated powder can be made from three very important materials. These are talc, also known as talcum, menthol, and methanol. Before we go into the production proper, let me briefly mention some additional values of menthol. Menthol's ability to produce a cooling sensation on the skin makes it an extremely useful ingredient in body health care products, such as medicated powders. Menthol alleviates the hot, painful sensation that overexposure to sunset can cause. Medicated powders containing menthol can alleviate headache when applied on the forehead. Now let's establish the quantity of chemicals needed to produce 100 grams of medicated powder. Talc 100 gram, menthol a teaspoon, methanol 10 ml. Now let me show you these chemicals one by one and then we go into the mixing of the chemicals. This one here is called talc, also known as talcum. Now this talc can come in either white color or pink color. You can make your choice in the market. Sometimes if you notice that the talc has some particles or some unwanted materials, then you can sieve it. But like this one, it's just okay. There is no need to sieve. So if you buy yours from the market and you notice some blackish materials or any unwanted particles in it, you can just sieve it to remove any unwanted materials. Now the next chemical is menthol and the next one is methanol. The first thing you do is to dissolve your menthol crystals in the methanol. Now pour the menthol crystals into the methanol and shake it. This is to enable all the menthol crystals dissolve. Or you can simply stir it to make it dissolve. Make sure that all the menthol crystals dissolve in the methanol. Now as soon as the menthol crystals dissolved in the methanol, you can now pour the solution on the talc. As you pour the solution on the talc, stir it properly. Take time to stir the talc so that the menthol can go around the talc powder. And now ladies and gentlemen, your medicated powder is ready for use. You can air it for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it completely gets dried and then it's ready for use. So thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.